So right now, I'm not actually standing on top of Mount Everest. And I'm also not floating through outer space trying to repair my ship before I run out of oxygen. And I'm definitely not chilling on a boat somewhere in the Amazon rainforest. What you're seeing is a cinematic AI generated clone of me, built using nothing but a handful of selfies, a voice recording, and an AI tool called Higgsfield. But here's where things get even crazier. This AI clone doesn't just talk, it also sings as well. And to top it off, you can have it sell any product that you want. So now let's dive in and see how it all works. So first go to higgsfield.com, link will be in the description. Once you're there, select create a character. You'll need a minimum of 20 selfies from different angles. It costs 30 credits, but don't worry, $29 gets you 600 credits. Once you're done, you can start generating images of yourself. Once you've got a shot you like, click speak. And this is where the magic happens. Choose a motion effect to control the expression, then upload your audio of you speaking. Hit generate, wait a few minutes, and boom, AI clone is now alive and talking. All right, so now you know how it works, but the real magic is what you can do with this. Firstly, if you're a YouTuber like me, this is a game changer. Instead of sitting in front of the camera explaining something, you can replace specific shots with a cinematic shot like this. It gives viewers something way more interesting to look at and can also boost retention. But what really blew my mind with this technology is that it also works for music videos, and way better than I expected. First, generate your track in Suno, then upload it to Higgsfield. It lets you clip up to 14 seconds. Choose the Wrap Flex motion effect. After that, no prompt is needed. Click generate, and this is what you get.
Tunnels of gold I'm running through. Clouds so low I'm breaking through. Paper planes and purple flames. Life's a race, don't play no.
I will do a proper music video tutorial using this technology in the future, but for now, if you do want to dive deeper into this topic, check out my Higgsfield Ultra Pack or my AI Music Video Ultra Pack, which I just updated to include all of the prompts I used in that example. Now, if you're a brand, content creator, or just someone selling something online, this next part's for you. Because now you can place products in your shots with your character. Here's how the product placement tool works. Inside Higgsfield, head to the product tab up top, upload your image that you generated with a generic product. Now just draw over the part you want to change, then drag and drop the image of your actual product and click generate. So now you can see the actual product in the image. Now let's make the character sell it. To do this, we are going to click speak. For this example, I just used the pre-trained voices, add a prompt to guide the character, and select the selling effect. Here's how it comes out.
Drink Coke Zero, because who the hell drinks Pepsi Max?
I also tried this again with a mobile phone product. Here's how the results came out.
This isn't just a phone. It's your camera crew, content studio, and hype squad, all in one.
Now, I've shown you guys the examples of how to do it with your own AI clone, but what about if you want to do it with a fictional character? Well, we know that we need at least 20 images of the character to train a model. So firstly, generate an image of your character using Higgsfield Sol or whichever image model you want to use. Then click video, which redirects us to the video generation page. Now insert the following prompt to make the character rotate their head. Once completed, download this video and head to this website called Frame Extractor. What this does is that it extracts the individual frames of the character from different angles. Once you've downloaded the images, you can then head back to character and upload the images to train the model. Now you have your own AI generated character that you can call upon to talk, sell, or even sing whatever you want. Now, whilst I'm here, I might as well talk about Higgsfield's latest update, which is their partnership with Minimax. So you can now select Hailuo 2 as the video generator model when in the video generation page. Now, for those of you who don't know anything about Hailuo, they are a Chinese video generation platform that has been one of the best AI tools for the better half of a year. Back in June this year, they did release their new O2 model and agent template feature, which was a significant upgrade from their O1 model. But it's good to see that Higgsfield has now included the O2 model as an option when generating videos on their platform. And one thing to point out is that they announced unlimited generations using Hailuo 2 for a week, so I thought I would wrap this video up showcasing some of the generations. But I hope this video was helpful, guys. Please give it a thumbs up, it does help me, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.